For the introductory video to the Multi Floppy Commander with Turbo, click in the top right corner. This is a recap of the new features that came out after the video. The first new feature is multi-file select for copy and delete operations. You can select multiple files with space and then perform copy or delete on them like so. There's also a fix for the printing only using lowercase letters. Next we have Turbo Copy, which speeds up copying files a bit more than twice. So depending on the file, you can go from 2 minutes down to less than 1. There's definitely still room for improvement in the speed department. This version also introduces working with directories and partitions for drives that support that, such as the 1581. Simply press return on the CBM partition of your choice and you're in it. On the CMD hard disk, press the pound symbol for a list of partitions. And you can also navigate directories in devices such as the SD2IEC. It also fixes a bug with not properly displaying tens of thousands of free blocks for these large drives. I've also now made available the program image in the CRT format, so you can try using it in cartridges such as the Kung Fu Flash. And there's one last fix. If rescanning the bus while a drive was in reset mode, the Commander used to hang. That has now been fixed. Also, I tried running the Commander on this worn tube and the text is not very sharp, so based on the TV set, your mileage may vary. This is it for this short update. If you haven't yet tried the Commander out, you can download it from the link in the description and give it a spin. As of this video, the latest version is 1.3, and as development continues, I'll see you in the next video.